the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And on the Red Alliance, the first score is Highlander Robotics getting their coral in place on level 4. Another one, however, bouncing off an algae and out of the reef. However, one more shot. Looks like they grabbed that coral, did not quite manage to score it before the end of auto, but still enough for Red to begin with a lead and look to continue to add to it. Back on Blue, meanwhile, it looks like 10-21, heading across field, starting to play some defense on the Red Alliance, while their alliance partners, Gator Gears and Lion Bots, start working on some scoring for Blue. Red, meanwhile, has 3 level 4 coral, and Highlander Robotics add an algae up into that red net. It looks like they grab another from their reef and line up and do much the same, just gently lobbing that algae into place. Meanwhile, 3390 heading over towards their own red coral station. And meanwhile, on Blue, 4973 also across field, and 221 headed back. And now it is Gator Gears taking on the task of defense. Red with a commanding lead at 1:10 to go. We have 9111. It looks like they are across field over on the blue side. It's like bringing that in, trying to score that algae in the processor, taking it up, and back on Blue. We have 7245. They have an algae on board. It looks like they're headed over. They are taking it towards the processor. And with 30 seconds to go, we have seen quite a few coral filled out on Red Alliance's reef. Not just enough for the RP yet, though. At 20 seconds, we are now into our endgame. Red Alliance has 2 robots under the barge, Highlander Robotics and Pyromechanics. Like Highlander Robotics, 10 seconds left, trying to grab onto a cage. And just 5 seconds left, they are making their way up into the air. Blue, meanwhile, has 2 robots parked, and looks like Highlander will finish hanging from a cage for Red. It's the Red Alliance who are your winners by a score of 122-25. Red Alliance earning 4 ranking points along with that victory. And now for another look, let's throw it over to the desk.
So the story of this